y'all know what hobby I love. This is what Barbara loves. I think she spends more money in this store than I spend on motorcycles. These are not your grandmother's sewing machines.
It's actually a deal. This is a pre-owned machine. It comes with the cabinet.
Oh, wow.
There's some extra stabilizer. There's thread that comes with it. You get a year warranty.
For the low price of?
$10,295.
Oh boy.
Actually, they had what your dad would like it.
You want it?
I would love this.
I say no. But I don't think I have any say.
And I didn't even spend very much.
I'm so proud of you, honey.
That's hard for me.
Hang on. Just so you know, I always get the door for Barbara.
No, he doesn't.
Yes, I do.
No,
yes, I do. Yes, I do. Oh boy, we're in trouble now.
He may be one Indian.
Oh my God, she wants one of those so bad.
That's what she said. Oh my God, I love this.
Does it have reverse?
Yep.
You push the button in
You
here.
have to hit this one and this one back here.
Oh my gosh, man, this is so much fun. And the parking brake is that one. Oh, this is nice. I could get used to that. Just saying. Oh wow, you have a big storage.
It goes all the way down. I have my reindeer in there, everything.
Wow.
Oh boy, we're in trouble now.
You may be one Indian.
It's gonna be one Indian and a Can-Am now.
Nothing wrong with that.